There are certain situations where you can pay some of that stuff ahead of time. Like your homeowner's insurance, you can pay for it a year in advance up front versus paying it at closing. But either way, it's still getting paid on there. So you kind of want to look at it like more or less like closing costs are kind of like a secret menu at a restaurant. You might not see it, but it's definitely there.
Well said. Well said, Corey. Corey, how do you talk about kind of this kind of stuff, like the ultimate closing costs, or if you're touring a house, hey, that furnace looks okay, but it's not, it wasn't put in yesterday. How do you address issues like that?
Right. So the first part of closing costs that I really like people to plan ahead, that I don't think people understand, and Jackie touched on it here, is the escrow. It's going to depend on sometimes the time of year. Right now, you're going to get a bigger credit from the seller as far as property tax goes. I think the other important thing, as we talk about credit and making sure that your credit's good, is I've seen a wide variety of homeowners insurance right now. I closed on a deal a couple of months ago, and it was a very large number for homeowners insurance. So I think that those things are important to, and Jackie's been great, and I can usually too. I always say, hey, Jackie, I want to be able to provide these people with the best scenarios. So tell me what they're going to need for percentage down, and then tell me what they're going to need for their closing costs and escrows. So I think it's really important. You touched, Jason, on like furnaces and things of that sort. I think we're going to talk here in a bit about home inspections, and we can talk more about that. But